Welcome to our introductory video on the fascinating world of human anatomy. Whether you're a student, a healthcare professional, or just curious about how our bodies work, this video is designed to provide you with a clear and concise overview of the fundamental concepts. By the end, you'll have a solid understanding of the structures that make up the human body and why studying them is so crucial. Let's begin our journey inside the human form. Human anatomy is the scientific study of the body's structures. From the smallest cells to the largest organs, anatomy explores how everything is organized and where it's located. What exactly is human anatomy? It's the branch of biology concerned with the study of the structure of organisms and their parts. In simple terms, it's about understanding what our bodies are made of and how they are put together. So why is it important to study human anatomy? Understanding anatomy is fundamental for various fields. For healthcare professionals, it's essential for diagnosing and treating illnesses. For athletes and fitness enthusiasts, it helps in optimizing performance and preventing injuries. And for anyone curious, it provides a deeper appreciation for the complexity and wonder of the human body. The human body is organized in a hierarchical manner, starting from the simplest chemical level and progressing to the most complex organismal level. Let's break down these levels to understand how they build upon each other. At the most basic level, we have the cellular level. Cells are the fundamental units of life, the building blocks of everything in our bodies. Each cell performs specific functions crucial for survival. Next, similar cells group together to form tissues. There are 4 primary types of tissues: epithelial, connective, muscle, and nervous tissue. Each type has a unique structure and specific role. When different types of tissues work together for a common purpose, they form an organ. For example, the heart is an organ made of muscle, connective, and nervous tissues. Finally, organs cooperate to form organ systems, which carry out major functions in the body. The human body has 11 major organ systems, each with a vital role. Let's explore some of them. We have the skeletal system for support, the muscular system for movement, and the nervous system for communication and control throughout the body. The circulatory system transports blood, nutrients, and waste. The respiratory system handles gas exchange, taking in oxygen and expelling carbon dioxide. And the digestive system breaks down food for energy. The endocrine system produces hormones that regulate various bodily functions, while the integumentary system, including skin, hair, and nails, protects the body from the external environment. To accurately describe body structures and their locations, anatomists use a standardized language. Understanding this terminology is crucial for clear communication in the field. The standard anatomical position is a universal reference point. It describes the body standing upright, feet slightly apart, palms facing forward, and thumbs pointing away from the body. Directional terms like superior, inferior, anterior, posterior, medial, and lateral help describe the relative positions of body parts. Body planes are imaginary lines that divide the body into sections. The sagittal plane divides the body into left and right, the frontal plane into front and back, and the transverse plane into upper and lower sections. In conclusion, human anatomy is a vast and intricate subject that reveals the incredible complexity and interconnectedness of our bodies. From the tiniest cells to the grand organ systems, every part plays a vital role. We hope this video has provided you with a clear foundation and ignited your curiosity to explore more about the wonder that is the human body. Thank you for watching.